I underestimated Jacob Zuma when he established Umkhonto weSizwe Party. This is what Herman Mashaba has confessed, that he underestimated Jacob Zuma when he heard that Jacob Zuma had established his own political party. Let's listen to this clip.
Underestimated Jacob Zuma. When I was told Jacob Zuma started a political party, I said, there's no normal person who's going to vote for Jacob Zuma. You know? Unfortunately, my common sense didn't work. You know, I honestly made that mistake. I underestimated his power. But also, what was important also, I think, was our direct association with the DA. I did not really realize how the black voters are scared of the DA. And for us, for having accepted to join that multi-party, John Steenhuisen, Moonshot Peck. And I'm sure you guys as the media are aware, I was against it from the beginning, but my colleagues said there's no alternative, and they brought some sense into it, that people are looking for political parties to coalesce. And I fell into that trip. That cost us dearly, because all our supporters, or big percentage of our black supporters, evaporated. Said, let's rather give our vote to Jacob Zuma. And the white vote, because they also looked at it from a logical point of view, says Action SA and DA are working together. Let's give our vote to the DA, and Mashaba and Action SA will get the black votes. So we got punished on both ends.
Herman Mashaba here is speaking about how he had underestimated Jacob Zuma's influence and ability to mobilize South Africans. This is after hearing that Jacob Zuma had joined Umkhonto weSizwe Party or established Umkhonto weSizwe Party. Because remember, on the 16th of December 2023, in that press briefing held in Johannesburg, where Jacob Zuma said that he is not going to be voting or campaigning for the African National Congress, but rather he will be voting and campaigning for the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. So Herman Mashaba, and by the way, it's not just him. And we must give kudos to Herman Mashaba for his honesty. For his honesty to come out. Because, like I've said, it's not just him. There's quite a lot of people who actually did not give Jacob Zuma or the Umkhonto weSizwe Party any chance in the 2024 elections. So he's saying he undermined or underestimated Jacob Zuma. But people underestimated Jacob Zuma because they subscribe to this politics of elitism. They did not realize something, that the language that Jacob Zuma talks at the ideological level, leave the fact that he does not believe in that. Okay? He talks about radical economic transformation. He talks about the return of the land. That's a language that people associate with. Those are the demands that people on the ground are having, to say it is overdue. It's time that people, the Africans, the natives of this land, benefit in this economy, because this economy is built on the backs of the Africans. You see? So the likes of Herman Mashaba, they undermined it. Thank you for tuning in, guys.